What's up, superstars? Teacher aqui. Let's master the word gathers. It's all about bringing things together. Ready to level up your English education? Let's go. Gathers. Gathers. Gathers significa juntar, reunir ou coletar. Pense em um grupo de pessoas se reunindo ou em você juntando informações. The YouTuber gathers ideas for new English content. The YouTuber gathers ideas for new English content. For our English education, the teacher gathers us in the classroom. For our English education, the teacher gathers us in the classroom. A content creator gathers topics for English for professionals. A content creator gathers topics for English for professionals. Amazing! Lembre-se, gathers é a forma para he, she, it. Also, uma saia gathers at the waist é uma saia franzida. Cool, right? Keep practicing!